morning guys, how you guys doing? Apa kabar and selamat pagi. Rahajang semua. In this video, I'm gonna answer some question, some comment that I got from my last video, from my previous video regarding the extramarital affairs, regarding the unmarried couple share room together in Bali, regarding unmarried couple share room living together as husband and wife. So watch the video until the end. My name is Hoki Misa. I'm your host in Bali. Welcome to What's Up Bali channel, the number one channel for you to know how to travel to Bali, Bali travel regulation, and condition in Bali now. If you're interested on those, consider to subscribe. Guys, as I mentioned earlier, in this video, I'm gonna try to answer most of the comment that I got from my last video regarding the extramarital affair, unmarried couple share room together, that mentioned in the new criminal code that passed by the House of Representatives of Republic Indonesia to the government, which then the President of Republic of Indonesia have 1 month to sign the criminal codes, then will be effective in 2025, 3 years time. Well, seeing all the comment, all question, mostly it goes to similar question actually, which is
the parents.
The power of the parents. Read to the article 411 and 412, which is only parents can report the unmarried couple if they share room together. So they're both single but they share room together or living together as husband and wife. Only the parents can file the report. So these are most common that I got. Thanks Oki. But if someone is living together with a local, can she be blackmailed by the parents? Or are the parents then out of order? What about prostituting? Who is to blame? Hi Oki, so if I don't like my daughter's boyfriend, I can report him and get rid of it for cheap? Easily? And what if my son meets a girl during the holiday and has a cup of tea with a girl in his room? Her mom and dad find out and report him. Understand that you are worried, especially after the COVID period. This is not right time to criminalize such matters. Indonesian throw itself 100 years back in time, not good for tourism. Again, about the parents. Despite the Western media misunderstood the new regulation and law, it's not less stupid the fact to have a law that allow people complain to police if they are not happy with a certain relationship. Private life is a private life. How horrible for the country. So if the parents of a girl I'm dating doesn't like me, he can put me in jail? Crazy. So all gay lesbian couples will end up in the jail since they have never get married in Bali. And why do you say unmarried couple are having an affair? They are dating. So you can easily be blackmailed by the poor parents of that cute Indonesian girl of your vacation in 2025. As you can hear, most of them asking about the parents, the power of the parents. However, there's a question about lesbian and gay. I have to dig in again to that new criminal code. For that, I'm gonna inform you in the other video. Okay, now about the parents. As you heard, they're afraid to get blackmailed. They're afraid if their son invite a local girl, have a tea in his room, and then got reported by her parents. Now, listen to this. Well, it's in Indonesian. I'm going to translate it later. But listen to this. This is the Minister of Law of Republic of Indonesia having a podcast. Listen to this.
Kalau pacaran berdua nih masuk ke hotel, pacaran berdua melakukan hubungan seksual,
ya,
polisi nggak bisa gerbek dong.
Nggak bisa dong.
Nggak bisa dong.
Orang tuanya aja lah ya kasih tahu sama anaknya, sama apanya. Dan nggak boleh dipisah. Kalau mau diadu kan dua-duanya.
Dua-duanya.
Termasuk anaknya.
Oh gitu.
Oh iya dong.
Jadi kalau orang tua melaporkan, anaknya harus dilaporkan
Harus
juga.
dilaporin juga. Nggak bisa pisah-pisah satu.
So, they cannot blackmail you. As mentioned also in the podcast, you know why? It's not only persecute one person. This gonna persecute the couples. If you're afraid if your son got blackmailed by the parents of his girlfriend or something, actually the parents also persecute their daughter. So if you have a local girlfriend, if her parents then file a report, it's not gonna be only you in trouble, but also their daughter. Once they file a report, it will be recorded and it's required result of a couple. Of 2 person, not only one. So it cannot only you. Your girlfriend will be also persecuted. So the parents will have to think twice to just make a report. Okay, we know you just recovered from the pandemic and you try to avoid this problem. No. I'm not gonna say B if it's A. I'm not gonna say A if it's B. If I do that, that means I also give problem to all my guests in my hotel. So the problem is what I saw in the media out there that only talk about that unmarried couple can go to jail. They don't explain it how, and they didn't also tell when it will be affected. So people will think that immediately if you're unmarried couple, share a room, you go to jail. People will think that it's already affected, which is actually in 2025, and you're not gonna be immediately to go to jail. It requires report from the parents, you or your partners, and no need to be afraid if there's a scam, because if the parents of your local partners report you, both of you and your girlfriend will be in trouble. So it's not only you, so not to worry about it. So share this video so more and more people who love Bali know about these matters. There's nothing to be worried about. In fact, in my opinion, if you want to be worried about something, there's a new law regarding make your friend drunk. So let's say, for instance, if your friend is already drunk and you make him even more drunk, there will be a problem. But I'm gonna talk about this in my next video. So hit the subscribe button for those who haven't, and smash the notification bell so you won't miss any update from me regarding how to travel to Bali, Bali travel regulation, and how to stay in Bali. Till then, I see you in the only one island of God, Bali. Okay, Misa, signing off.